You again?
You still have the attitude, eh? Come on school?
No ask me no question. Go find the papa with a climb rum tree and ask him question. Don't question me.
And first of all, what is going on with your attire?
You weird pan.
Hello. I don't understand this. Where do you think you go?
School.
Through which school gates you think you're going with that young miss?
Your shoes long, right?
So, what problem? You're bad, you're bad, you're bad, you're bad.
No, I just want 1 week to myself. I can't take 1 week.
School over 12 o'clock and this come home, look girl.
So, back answer me that me say.
Look for me they talk to you. And if me have to tell us if you look for me one more time, girl.
Remember some me have to go home before 3:30 and 3 o'clock now, you know. And I remember some my man who broke my neck.
Walk this way, please.
So what, Quinta, me know?
Young lady, go on.
You're lucky. Miss Clark.
You know who you think you be.
Which part you see me with the eyes them say me a bully nobody? You
No matter whether or not I've seen you myself, there are reports, and we're going to do an investigation to find out whether or not this is actually true.
Me never tell her someone go to school. She do me a favor.
And is that a icky on your neck?
Where you just say?
Why jump with them now, water?
Go to school. Take your book. Do your assignments. Do what you're supposed to do.
Not because I see other people do it means so you have to take up, you have to follow them and do it. You have to have a mind of your own.